This is the NT travel pack. It's for traveling. Original Honda. The Honda cases, side case and top box. Look how it looks here. It's amazing, isn't it? And here it's also Honda. So this model, you can have this travel pack and it's going to look like this. Amazing, isn't it? And surprising link, here is a light as well. This is extra. You know why? Because this one doesn't have it. This one has only the side cases. I see one model here. Hello, where are you from?
Where am I from? Greece.
Your model here?
No.
Ah, you just sit here.
Yes.
You look like model.
Thank you.
This is my co-worker, by the way, Madeleine. Bike is not too big, you are too small. She's 173. 173. So this is in blue color. This is the original side cases from Honda NT1100. And the rack. Is it tough?
Yes.
Κοίτασε λίγο. Για κράτα λίγο.